If you're a hockey player struggling to control the puck when stick handling, this muscle is almost always weak. It's known as your subscapularis. Hockey players rely heavily on internal rotation of their shoulder when stick handling. The subscapularis is one of the most powerful internal rotators of your shoulder. To know if you have poor internal rotation, do this test. You're going to lie on your back with your arm elevated to your shoulder. Keep a 90-degree with your elbow to your arm, keeping a light fist with your hand. Slightly lower the front side of your forearm and the palm of your hand down towards the floor in front of you. Once you feel your shoulder blade or your upper back come off the ground, that's when you know you have no more true internal rotation, and that is the amount of range you actually have. Hockey players tend to lose this movement because they are always leaning forwards. It makes them very lat dominant, and ribs are pretty much flaring all the time. To fix it, you want to open up space first in the front of your shoulder to then access the subscapularis muscle. So this is the first drill that you're going to do. After gaining space within the shoulder, here's the second drill that I want you to do to now strengthen your subscapularis. If you want better puck control, quicker hands, and less shoulder pain, fix internal rotation first, then load the subscapularis. Here's the drill to open up space in that shoulder. Find a doorway. Place your hand on the door frame, making sure that your arm is shoulder height. You're going to lean your body away from the door frame. Lightly turn your chest towards that arm. What we want to feel is the side abs as we crunch our body towards the left side, getting engaged. As we take an inhale through our nose, we want to feel expansion on the back side of our right shoulder in this example. Take inhales through your nose for 2 to 3 seconds and take exhales through your mouth for around 5 seconds. Once that space is now opened up, we have to use it. So for the second drill, what we're going to do is get a band. We're going to tie a knot and hook it on the top portion of the door. You want to make sure that your arm is around shoulder height and that the band is placed underneath that elbow. As we bring the shoulder down into internal rotation, you want to feel activation of the subscapularis, which will be in your armpit. What you want to avoid is having the shoulder blade coming off the wall. If you feel like it needs to come off the wall, then that is your true range. Do not force it to go past your true range. Do around 10 to 12 repetitions of that one shoulder that we're trying to open up space. Do not do this exercise bilaterally. After doing all of that, you have now accessed more true internal rotation, having better stick handling skills.